Okay guys, so I know I'm gonna sound kind of crazy, but me and my family were just chilling outside, enjoying the warm weather, and then a hawk came down and just sat on the ground, like straight up. Well, it wasn't really sitting, but it was just on the ground. And I wasn't out here at the time, so I don't know the full story on what happened, but I'm going to show you a little bit of a video of it and some pictures. So here's one of the pictures. We decided to name him Willie, and at one point he came over and walked over to my dad